Hi everybody, welcome to our online course. This course is done in a hybrid fashion, which means we'll be doing 1 hour a week in class, face-to-face, and then 2 hours online. I want to bring your attention to our course shell and just do a really brief introduction of myself. I already have met, I think, all of you this week, so you know who I am. I want to just direct you to the shell, so I'm just going to look at my screen here and show you that you need to make sure that you have read the announcement that I posted, which is sort of introducing the course, and then go to the Start Here. So this tab is important that you go through the whole thing before you start the course. It will answer a lot of questions. It'll show you the icons that I use. The resources, there's a 3-minute video here about being successful in online courses. There is links to the bookstore, the library, discussion board. There's no link there, but it just shows you the icon. We will have some quizzes, introductions. So you need to do this by the end of the week. So if you click this introductions, it will bring you to the instructions for that. As well, there is a checklist. So once you've done all of the reading of this Start Here tab, then we can get started. So introductions here, and it brings you to the discussion board tab, which you can also reach on the side of your screen. And we're going to use this Flipgrid app, which is really fun. You can use your phone for it. You can use your webcam on your computer. It's really quick. You do not have to do a 3-minute video. I've just given 3 minutes to allow for enough time. And the instructions are here, or if you're using your computer, you can just simply go down here to Flipgrid instructions, and it will bring you right to the Flipgrid page where you just have to enter the password in. And so back on that page, I've entered the password here, which is Georgian with a capital G. And so when you do that, you will see that it will bring you to our Applied Oral Health page in Flipgrid, and a bunch of you have already responded, so that's awesome. The idea of this is just to have a little bit of a, sorry, I'm going through the wrong screens here. Is having a face and a name to be able to put that together. You guys see each other in class, but with online courses, it's nice to be able to have a little bit of interaction face to face. And that's about it for the Start Here tab. Going to the syllabus, we will go through that in class on Thursday, and I will go through the rest of the shell and everything else on Thursday. Week 1 will be open tomorrow, and as I mentioned, we'll kind of go through the expectations of this course. But I did want to introduce myself, let you know that we will be going into further detail in class on Thursday. So some of you will have class at 11, I believe, just looking at my schedule, and then some of you will have class at 1 o'clock. And then all of you will have class at common hour time, which is at noon. So I will see all of you Thursday.